Rapid, rapid.
Okay, to start with, we will begin with the 15th place. With a cash prize of 1,000 pesos, 15th placer is Alexis Emil Maribao. Next, 14th placer with a cash prize of 1,000 pesos. 14th placer is Phil Martin Kasiguran. From Cavite na naman yata to. Manila.
Cavite.
Cavite. Pang-apat na yata to. Next, 13th placer with a cash prize of 1,000 pesos. 13th placer is Richie Hodgson. From Calamba, Laguna. Next, 12th placer with a cash prize of 1,000 pesos. From Baguio City, Arena Grandmaster Darin Peña, Florida. Next, 11th placer with a cash prize of 1,000 pesos. 11th placer is Angeli Tenshi Biete. University.
Ay, nandyan siya.
Next, 10th placer. With a cash prize of 2,000 pesos, 10th placer is National Master Bob Jones Liwagon. Next, 9th placer with a total points of 500 points with a cash prize of 2,000 pesos. 9th placer is PD Master Christopher Castellano.
PD Master.
From Rizal Province. Kainta Rizal. Next, 8th placer with a total points of 500 points with a cash prize of 2,000 pesos. 8th placer is PD Master Christian Mark Dalus. From Manila. Next, 7th placer with a total points of 500 points with a cash prize of 2,000 pesos. Originally from Negros, now residing at Manila. 7th placer is PD Master Alican Nori. Next, 6th placer with a total points of 6 points with a cash prize of 2,000 pesos. 6th placer is John Lance Valencia. John Lance.
Moving.
From De La Salle University. Next, with a cash prize of 5,000 pesos with a total points of 6 points. 6th placer is, IP placer is Samson Chiu Chin Lim III. Yung mahirap pronounce yung ano ito. Next, fourth placer with a total points of 6 points with a cash price of 8,000 pesos. Fourth placer is Jedrick Kalel ba to? Jedrick Kalel Abris. From Mandaluyong City. Okay, for the major awards with a total points of 6 points with a cash prize of 10,000 pesos plus trophy. Third placer is Chester Neil Reyes
USP.
from University of Santo Tomas. Next, second placer with a total points of 6.5 points with a cash prize of 15,000 pesos. Second placer is Grandmaster Darwin Lilo from UST. And now the champion, open category, rapid event with a total points of 7 points. And defeated po siya with a cash prize of 20,000 pesos. The champion for the 9th Go Palarong Ajedrez open category, Grandmaster Daniel Quezon from Cavite.
Cavite na naman.
Idol. Ilang taon?
Bayan ni Willis.
Congratulations yun sa top ay sa group picture top 3.
Cavite, Calpers, Baguio.
Yung ano yung ilaw yung mukha mo, hindi makita. Yan.
Wala namang code yun. Okay, maraming salamat po sa mga sumali. Palakpak naman sa mga nag-sponsor sa atin, si Engineer Ario Aquino.